Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, JotForm and Salesforce. So the use case here is, whenever a new response is created through JotForms, automatically create lead in Salesforce. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So JotForm helps you to create online forms, whereas Salesforce is a CRM platform. The issue here is that these two software applications don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer data from JotForm to Salesforce. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. So here I am at Google, and now what I'm going to do is I'll go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section over here and I'm going to click on Connect. Okay, so now I'm going to click on Sign In. Okay, so now because I've already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. You just have to clone the template of the workflow. The link for the same is available in the description below the video. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get access to this workflow right in your account. So now I'm going to scroll down, and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and you can see we have so many workflows already created over here. So now I'm going to create a new workflow by clicking on this Create Workflow button. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow, and I'm going to name it as JotForm to Salesforce lead. Now I'm going to create it. So now here in this workflow, we are going to integrate JotForm with Salesforce. So first here in Choose App, I am going to choose JotForm. Okay. Now in trigger event, according to our workflow, whenever a new response is made through JotForms, we want to create new lead in Salesforce. That is why new response here will be our trigger event. Now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger event? Let me tell you that automations run on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, whenever we get a new response through JotForm, we want to create a lead in Salesforce. That is why new response in JotForm will be our trigger event, whereas creating lead in Salesforce will be our action event. So after choosing the app and after choosing the trigger event, you can see a term called webhook URL and a URL displayed over here. Now you might again ask me that what is this webhook URL and how is it helpful for us? Let me tell you that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook URL helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So what we actually do is, after choosing the app and after choosing the trigger event, we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is JotForm in our case. So now you can read the instruction written over here and you can just follow them. I am also going to do the same. So now I'll just copy this webhook URL from here, and I have already logged into my JotForm, you can see. And I have created this form called Salesforce lead, and through this form I'm going to get my response. So now what I'm going to do is here in more, I am going to click on settings. Okay, so now here you can see this integrations option, so I'm going to click on it. Okay, and you can see webhooks option over here, so I'll just open it, and here we are going to edit the integration. So here I am just going to remove this webhook and I am going to paste the webhook URL that we got from Pabbly Connect. So I'll just paste it. Okay. And now I'm just going to click on complete integration. Okay. So you can see we have successfully created our integration. That means we have successfully set our webhook. Now what I'm going to do is I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. And now I'm going to click on capture webhook response. So now it is time to go to our form, and now we are going to get our response. So I'll go back to my JotForm and I'm going to open our form. So I'll just go back. Okay, so we have our form over here and now we are going to get a response. So I'll just fill the name, Robert, Casper. Address, I'm just going to put the same one over here. I'll change the email, robert010@gmail.com. Company, I am going to write Pabbly Connect. Okay, now I'm just going to submit. Okay, so we have successfully submitted our response over here. Now I'll just go back to Pabbly Connect, and now we are going to check if Pabbly Connect has captured the data or not. So I'll go back. So you can see we have got a webhook response over here. You can see we have the form ID, we have the submission ID. You can also see the webhook URL. If you come down, you can see the form title, and I'll just extend it. You can see the details that we have filled. You can see first name, last name, the address is here, city is here, state, PIN, okay. Email is also here, company is here, okay. I'll just save it. Okay, so here we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of JotForm and Pabbly Connect. Now we are going to begin with our second step integration, and here we are going to integrate Salesforce and Pabbly Connect. So here in Choose App, I am going to choose Salesforce. Okay, now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever we get a new response through JotForm, we want to create lead in Salesforce. That is why create lead will be our action event over here. You can see we have various other action events available. You can select whichever action event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can again contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. Now I'm going to click on create lead because this is our action event over here. Now I'm going to connect with Salesforce. Okay, so now under credentials, you have two options. Either you can create new credential or you can select any existing credentials like this. Here I am going to let it be new credentials and I am going to connect with Salesforce. So now because I've already logged into my Salesforce account, that is why here there will be no issue. But sometimes you may have to put your login credentials. Okay, so here I'm just going to allow the access. You don't have to worry about your data. Everything is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on OK. So here we have some empty fields and we have to fill the information according to our webhook response. So we are just going to map these details here in the fields. So you can see it is asking us for the last name and it is the required field. So let us map our last name. It is here. First name. Okay. Now title, I'll just leave it. Company, we have the company. Let me map it. Okay. Phone, we don't have the phone. I'll put the email. Okay. Website description, I'll just write JotForm response. Lead source, I let it be web. Status, okay, open not contacted. Rating, I let it be the same. Street, we have the address. City, Bhopal. Country. Okay, now I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have got our API response. That means we have successfully finished the integration of JotForm and Salesforce successfully. Now it is time to go back to Salesforce and now we are going to check if we have created a new lead or not. So I'll go to my Salesforce account and here you can see leads option. So I'm just going to open it. So you can see we have Robert Casper over here. I'll just open it. So you can see we have created the lead over here. You can see the email is here. Okay, the address is here, lead source is here, the name, company name. You can also see the description, JotForm response. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So now I'll go back to my JotForm and I'm going to make one more submission. So the first name is going to be Jordan. Last name is Moravik. Address, I am just going to put an address over here. Okay. I'll change the email. Jordan011@gmail.com. Company, I let it be Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now I'm going to submit. Okay, so we have submitted one more response over here in JotForm. Now we'll go back to Salesforce and we are going to check if we have created a new lead or not. So I'll go back to Salesforce. I'm just going to refresh this page once. So you can see we have a new lead over here, Jordan Moravik. I'll just open it. So you can see we have the other details as well. We have the email, we have the address, the description is JotForm response. You can also see the name and the company. So now we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. So now what I'm going to do is I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. Okay. So in our example, what has happened is first the information came from JotForm to Pabbly Connect. Then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to Salesforce. So now every time a new response is created through JotForms, automatically a lead will be created in Salesforce. So we have successfully finished the integration of JotForm and Salesforce using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.